welcome to my channel Excel Max and Board. In this video, we'll see CBSE Grade 12 differentiation, some of the important sums. Differentiate with respect to x. This is the first sum given. Differentiate root over secant x plus 1 by secant x minus 1. Okay, let me consider this as y. Okay, he is asking me to find y dash. Now look at the sum again. It looks like secant x plus 1 by secant x minus 1 inside the root. If we normally proceed, first we have to differentiate the power, then u by v method, right? But instead of doing in such a big way, let us try to concentrate on some of the trigonometric identities or formula where which it could be applied, and so that we can simplify the given sum. So I can write y is equal to root over this secant x is inverse of cos x, right? So I can write 1 by cos x plus 1 by cos x minus 1, which will be rewritten as take LCM for both the numerator and the denominator. So this becomes 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x. So now we all know this identity. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. That is, if it is 2x here, it is half of that. Again, 1 minus cos 2x, if it is 2x here, it is half of 2x, which is x. So it looks like 1 plus cos 2x. Instead of x, here it is x. So I can rewrite this as 2 cos square, whatever is here, half of that. That is the formula shows. So it is 2 cos square x by 2. Similarly, 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square. Whatever is here, half of that. So it is x by 2. 2 and 2 getting cancelled. Square and root getting cancelled. So I get cos x by 2 by sin x by 2. Right? Which can be written as root cot x by 2. So I have not differentiated it. I have just simplified. So I am getting y is equal to cot x by 2. So I have the simplified format of the given question. I have the simplified format. Now differentiate. What is y dash? So now y dash is differential of cot. What is differential of cot? Minus cosecant square x by 2. Then differential of x by 2 is 1 by 2. So this is differential of cot and this is differential of x by 2. So which is equal to minus 1 by 2 cosecant square x by 2. So instead of proceeding the sum in the long method, if we could rearrange and get it simplified, it would be better. How can we realize? Definitely in the identity cos 2x order in the formula, almost everybody would be knowing. So try to recollect it. Okay. Next one. We'll move on to the next sum. Differentiate root over 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Let me consider this as y. Again, power, numerator, denominator. So if I proceed just like that, model power differentiate pannu. First we have to differentiate the power. Then I have to apply u by v method, which will go on very lengthy for a 2 mark or a 3 mark sum. So rather I am trying to rearrange the sum and get it in a simplified format. So I can rewrite this as y is equal to root over, again 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. If I recollect the identity using tan theta, I get this formula. I could remember the minus sign, denominator plus sign. If I compare and contrast, I compare this with this formula. So how to write this 1 in terms of tan A? So I can write it as 1 is tan 45 degrees, right? So tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 is again tan pi by 4. Sorry, this can be written as 1 itself. Yes, that one you need not change because in the formula itself it is 1 only. So you can write it as 1 again there. So it is 1 plus this tan x is written as tan x into 1 because I want tan A, tan B. So this is tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay, so it resembles this identity. So it can be rewritten as root over tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So which is tan of A minus B, pi by 4 minus x. So root over tan A minus. So I have written the question in the simplified format. Now we'll try to differentiate. Now y dash or dy by dx. First I have to differentiate the power. Differential of root x is half root x, right? Half into root x, 1 by root x. So this is 1 by 2 into tan of pi by 4 minus x power negative 1. So this becomes minus half. So first I have differentiated the power. Then I have to differentiate the function. What is tan? Differential of tan is secant square. Secant square pi by 4 minus x. Then differential of x is negative 1. Correct? So this can be rewritten as, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 into this negative power I can write in the denominator root over tan pi by 4 minus x into secant square pi by 4 minus x. So I have arrived at the answer. So if you could compare with any of the identity, you will get the answer in 2 or 3, maximum 4 or 5 steps. So you need not say the question paper was lengthy like that. Next question, differentiate. So let me take this as y. This is very simple. As you have all seen, rationalize the denominator. So multiply and dividing by the conjugate. Again, I am not going to differentiate first, because this looks like irrational denominator, right? Because there is no trigonometric term, it is full of algebraic terms. So rationalize the denominator. So I get y is equal to root over x square plus 1 minus x by root over x square plus 1 plus x, multiply and divide by its conjugate. So it is root over x square plus 1 minus x by root over x square plus 1 minus x. So again this, whenever I multiply and divide by the conjugate, it looks like a plus b into a minus b, and numerator a minus b into a minus b. So it looks like the numerator is of the form a minus b the whole square, and the denominator is of the form a square minus b square, right? So I can rewrite it as y is equal to a square. So it is x square plus 1 plus b square minus 2ab, correct, divided by denominator a square minus b square. So it is a square and this is b square. So the denominator becomes 1. So the numerator is 2x square plus 1 minus 2x into root over x square plus 1. So now I have the simplified version. Y is equal to 2x square plus 1 minus 2x into root over x square plus 1. Now you can differentiate this because it is in simplified format. So this is y dash or dy by dx is 4x. Differential of 2x square is 4x. Differential of 1 is 0. And here you have two terms. So this can be taken as, this is taken as u and this is taken as v, right? So this is, so what is differential of uv? It is uv dash plus vu dash. So this is the formula which I am going to apply here. You can take even minus 2 commonly out and you take x as u. So this is u into v dash. V dash is 1 by 2 root x square plus 1. So differentiate the power into differentiate x square plus v root over x square plus 1 into u dash. So this is how you get it as. So this is 4x minus 2 into this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So this is x square by root over x square plus 1 plus root over x square plus 1. So if you take LCM and simplify, you will get the answer as 4x minus 2. Here it is 1. So this is x square plus x square plus 1 divided by ரெண்டுமே same a root a into a is a divided by root over x square plus 1. So I get it as 4x minus 2 into 2x square plus 1 by root over x square plus 1. So if you conjugate and rationalize the denominator, you will get it in the simplified form whereby differentiation becomes easier. Let us try to recall some two simple sums. Differentiate y is equal to sine of x square. Very simple. So what is y? Y dash differential of sine is cos of x square and differential of x square is 2x. So the final answer is 2x into cos of x square. Similarly, let me move on to the next sum. Differentiate y is equal to cos of root x. So y dash differential of cos is negative sine root x. Differential of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So this can be written as minus 1 by 2 root x into sine of root x. Hope you are getting it clear. We'll catch up in the next video, guys. Bye.